As I thought. Pedro's cough is catching.
Danny Dog and Susie Sheep have caught Pedro's cough.
Open wide.
Ugh! It tastes of carpet-flavoured yoghurt.
It tastes of flowers.
Well done for taking your medicine so well.
Do you ever get ill, Dr. Brownbear?